So let us see the mode in the continuous series. So continuous series, we have a formula for the mode, that is L1, or you can write L plus Fm minus F1 over 2Fm minus F1 minus F2 into I. Fm ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮೋಡಲ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ, F1 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ preceding to the modal frequency, and F2 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ subsequent next one. ಇವಾಗ ಇದು ಮೋಡಲ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ 2 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇರೋದು F1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋದು ಮೋಡಲ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋದು F2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದರದ್ದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಸ್ ವಿ ನೋ L2 minus L1, the upper limit minus lower limit of the continuous series. Okay, L1 we know it's a lower limit of the modal class. Let us find out a problem. Following is the frequency distribution of weights of 60 students, that is weights in kilogram, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60. Number of student who are there in this weight, 30 to 35 3, this is 8, 12, 20, 15 and 2. So as we know the 20 is more frequency, idina modal frequency antivi. This is Fm. So preceding F1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, after one subsequent is F2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This is modal class, this is L1, this is L2. L2 minus L1 is 5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So let us do the problem here. Here the modal class interval is 45 to 50 and the maximum frequency is 20. Therefore it is modal class. Now we have to calculate the value of the mode with the help of formula, that is L or L1 Fm minus F1 over 2Fm minus F1 minus F2 into I. L ಏನು 45 ನ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, Fm is 20, F1 12, F2 15, and then I is 50 minus 45 is 5. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಬೈಫಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 45 ಪ್ಲಸ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ 45 plus 20 minus 12 is 8 over 20 into 2 is 40 minus 12 minus 15 into 5. So matte simplify madana, that is 45 plus 8 over 27 minus 40 andre 13 into 5. So idana 45 plus 5 into 8 is 8 5s are 40 divided by 13. So 45 plus 3.07, that is 48.01. So the modal value is 48.1 kg approximate ಆಗಿ. 01 ಅಲ್ಲ, 09 ಏನೋ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು 1 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay, 48.07, 48.07, because this is above 5, ಅದನ್ನು 1 ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟ್. ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು ಈ ಥರ 5 ಇರೋದನ್ನ 1 ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀವಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಟು 10 ಆನ್ ನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಟು 100, ಆ ಥರ ಅದನ್ನು ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ಫ್ಯೂ ಮೋರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ 10 to 12, 13 to 15 ಆ ಥರ ಇದೆ. ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಶಾಪ್ 34, 50, 85, 60, 30, 15, 7. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಲೋವರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ನ 0.5 ಇಂದ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ನ 0.5 ಇಂದ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸಿ 9.5. ಸೊ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ 85 is the highest. This is the modal class. This will become FM, and this is F1, and this is F2, and this is L1. So L2 minus L1. L2 minus L1 how much? How much barutte? 3. Yeah. 15.5, 16.5, 17.5, 18.5. I is equal to 3. See here, the class interval 15.5 to 18.5 is a modal class interview as the frequency is 85. Therefore, modal class is this much. L is 15.5, FM is 85, F1 is 50, F2 is 60. So, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು simplify ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 15.5 plus 85 minus 50. 25 over 85 into 2 is 170. 170 minus 110 into 3. So, illen bantu 15.5 plus, so idinna multiply madana. 25 into 3 is 75 by 170 minus 110 is 60. So, 15.5 plus 1 point, we'll see. So here it is 75 minus 60 is 1.25. Therefore the answer is 16.75. So il solpa change ide. So I have made a correction. So hope you understood. Let us do one more problem here. So 1, 3, 3, 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 11, 11 to 13. So idina frequency is 6, 53, 85, 56, 21, 16, 4, 4. Here class interval 5 to 7 has the maximum frequency. That's why this is modal class. So 5 to 7, 5 to 7 idu FM ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 53 is F1, 56 is F2. So ಅದನ್ನ bifurcate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So I have written here. So L is 5, FM is 85, F1 is 53, F2 is 26. Sorry, 1 minute. Okay, F2 is 56. So I is 7 minus 5 is 2. So Z value mode in calculate madana. 5 plus 85 minus 53. 2 into 85 minus 53 minus 56 into 2. That is 2 plus 32 divided by 170 minus 53 minus 56 into 2. So is equal to 5 plus 32 divided by 170 minus 109 into 2. So, multiply madana 2 in the, so 5 plus 64 divided by 61, that is 5 plus 1.05. So, Z value, 6.05. Let us see one more problem. So, travel time in a minute they have given less than 80, less than 70, less than 60. So, they have given less than value, frequency also less than. ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 2 ಹೀಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕ್ಯುಮ್ಯುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ, ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಯುಮ್ಯುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಏನು ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 10 ಅಂದರೆ 0 to 10, 10 to 20. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಸಾರಿ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 2 minus 60, 2 minus 18 is 16. Okay, 18 minus 50 is 32. 32 minus 85 is, sorry, 50 minus 85 is 35. 85 minus 156 is 71. 156 minus 191 is 39. 195 minus 215 is 20. 215 minus 218 is 3. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ 71 is the higher frequency. So 40 to 50 is a modal class interval. This is modal frequency. This is F1 and this is F2. This is L1 and this is L2. L2 minus L1. I is to I is equal to 10. So mode Z is equal to L plus Fm minus F1 over 2 Fm minus F1 minus F2 into I. So same values na now hakolana 40 because L1 is 40 plus 71 is F1 minus 35. 71 into 2 minus 35 minus 39 F2 into I 10. So 40. 71 minus 35 is 36. This is 71 into 2 is 142 minus 35 minus 39 is minus 74 into 10. So illen madidve 40 plus 36 into 10 over 68. 40 into 360 36 into 10 is 360 by 68. 40 plus 5.29. So the modal value is 45.29. This is 45.3 minutes approximate agi 40.3 minutes travel time irutte. Hope you understood this problem also. Let us do this problem. Find the mode from the following distribution: x 0 to 10, 10 to 20, and frequency 5, 15, 35, 50, 70. Here the class interval 40 to 50 has a maximum frequency, that is 70. Therefore the modal class is 40 to 50. This will become Fm and this is F1. F2 ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ, F2 ನ 0 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, see here, next F2 value ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ F2 ನ 0 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. I ಏನು 10 minus 0 is 10. So L plus F1 minus F1 over 2 Fm minus F1 minus F2 into I. 40 lower, see modal class ಏನು 40 to 50, ಅದ್ರದ್ದು L1 40 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 40 70 minus 50 over 2 into 70 minus 50 minus F2 ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, there is nothing here, so we have written 0. So ಎಲ್ಲ bifurcate ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 40 20 by 90 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, that is 40.22 is a mode. Hope you understood. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಯಾವುದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ 0 ಹಾಕೋತೀವಿ. So obtain mode from the following data: 15 to 10, 10 to 15, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 15, 20, 30, 10, 5. The modal class is 15 to 20 since the maximum frequency is what? 30. This will become Fm and this is F1 and this is F2. 15 is L1. 20 minus 15, that is 5 is I. Okay, so L1 15 hakondvi. 30 minus 20, 30 into 2 minus 20 minus 10 into 5. So 15 plus 10 into, so idi 10 ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು 5 multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. So 50 divided by 30. ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 15 plus 50 divided by 30. 15.166, that is 16.6 is the mode value. Let us do the missing values. Modal marks for the group A of 94 students are 54. They have given mode they have given 54. For 94 students it is 54. 10 students got marks 0 to 20. 30 students between 40 to 60. 14 students between 80 and 100. Find out the number of students getting marks between 20 to 40, 60 to 80 if the maximum marks of the test score is 100. See here, 0 to 20 10 marks, 20 to 40 ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, 40 to 60 30 students, 60 to 80 we don't know, 80 to 100 total 14. So ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗಿದೆ 94 student, total number of student is 94. We have to find out the modal missing frequencies. This is a frequency, this is a class interval. As we know, they have given 54 is a mode. 54 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 40 to 60 ಲಿ 54 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. In that case, this is a modal class. So mode is 54. Therefore, modal class is 40 to 60. This will become what? FM. This is F1 and this is F2. X is F1, Y is F2. Okay. And L1 in 40. So L plus FM minus F1 over 2 FM minus F1 minus F2 into I. Mode is given 54. 54 na ನಾವು ಹಾಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. 40 plus 30 minus x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 60 minus x minus y. So 60 minus I is what? 20. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, 40 ನ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. 54 minus 40 is 14. 14 is equal to 30 minus x by 60 minus x minus y into 20. 20 ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, 20 ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 20 into 30 is 600 into 20 into x is 20x over 60 minus x minus y. So ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Therefore 60 into 14 is 840 minus 14 into x is minus 14x minus 14 into y is minus 14y is equal to 600 minus 20x. So ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗಿದೆ, 840 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ 840 ನ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಂಬರೋಣ, x ನ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಂಬರೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ 20x ಮೈನಸ್ ಇರೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಹಿಯರ್ 20x minus 14x minus 14y is equal to 600 minus 840. ಅವಾಗ 20x minus 14x ಎಷ್ಟು 6x. 6x minus 14y is equal to ಇಲ್ಲಿ 600 minus 840 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ minus 240 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is first equation. The total number of student is 94. Therefore, the missing value xy would be 94 minus 10 minus 30 minus 14. See here, ಇಲ್ಲಿ total 10 plus 30 plus 14 plus x plus y is equal to 94. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 94 minus this 10 minus 30 minus 14 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 10 40 54 minus 94 is 40. 40 is equal to x plus y ಅಲ್ಲ, x plus y ಏನ್ ಬಂತು 40 ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೂ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್, ಒಂದು 6x minus x plus y is equal to 40. This is second equation. So we have two equation, ಒಂದು 6x plus 14y is equal to minus 240, x plus y is equal to 40. By bifurcating, by solving these two, we will find. So ಇದನ್ನ multiplied by 1, ಇದನ್ನ multiplied by 6 ಮಾಡು. Then 6x minus 14y is equal to minus 240 over 6x plus 6y is equal to 240 plus 240. So plus 240. So by subtracting the equation, so ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಆಗ x ಇದು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. We get minus 14y minus 6y is equal to minus 240 minus 240. Therefore, minus 20y is equal to minus 480. Or we can say that y is equal to minus 480 by minus 20 is equal to 24. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಸೊ x plus y is equal to 40, therefore x is equal to 40 minus y ನ 24 ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. 40 minus 24 is equal to 16. x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. x ಎಷ್ಟು 16, y ಎಷ್ಟು 24. So we got the frequency of x is 16, y is 24. Hope you understood. So the missing frequency or values are 16 and 24.